Welcome to Tutti Time Vlog. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Open. Let's open this coin box here. Look. Open this way. Turn. Okay, and like that. Oh, it's still closed. Open. Op. Oh, it's still closed. This way. There you go. It's open.
Candy.
Yeah, the candy is inside. You put it. Oh, get it. Okay, shake, shake, shake. Oh, there. There is the candy, oh. Oh, yeah, don't eat it, huh? It's dirty. Okay, put it back. Put the cover. Huh? Okay, what about the coins? You put also the coins. There. Okay, kunin mo yan. Sige, lipat mo dito. Lagay mo. Sige, lagay mo siya. One at a time. Oh, galing. Na-shoot niya yung iba. Oh. Sige, wala nang kukunin na coin siya, no? Sino ba yan? Ha? Wala nang kukunin na coin. Oh. Oh, cover. Oh, yun. Where's the candy? Wala na. Kinain na yung candy. Ah, there's the candy. Oh, where's our friend? Hi, ito yung friend namin. Pinapawait niya si alligator. Nilabas niya sa box. Okay.
No.
Huh?
No.
You say hi. Say hi to your friend. Yeah,
No.
say hi. 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 Oh, saan mo lalagay? Babalik mo sa box, your friend. You kiss your friend. Whoop. Oh. What happened? Oh. Hala. Oh. Nag-close na yung mouth ni friend, ah. No, don't close the box. Your friend will cry. Oh. Oh. Oh.
No.
Ano yun?
This.
Oh, sige. Lakas mo, ah. Oop. Careful, careful. Here. Binuhat, oh. Oh. Sige. Okay. Ay, mahulog ka dyan. Oh, no. Tuti.
Turn.
Oh.
Turn.
Huh?
Turn.
Turn? Turn this way? Oh. Wow. Naku, talaga naman ginawang ano, ah. Oo. Sige. Talaga naman. Oo. Kunin mo si alligator. Yung friend natin. Labas mo.
No.
Labas mo muna.
No.
Dali, kunin mo.
No.
Oh.
No.
Hmm.
Turn.
Sinakay mo lahat yung coins mo.
Lucky.
Ayan. Oh, kunin mo si alligator doon.
No.
Friend natin yan, eh.
This.
Oh. Matutumba.
This.
Wait. Just sit down. Oh, ito na. Oh. Talaga naman.
Turn.
Turn? Oh, way! Talaga naman. Ano naiisip nitong batang to, eh. Oh, what's that? Ano yun? Ah, may coin pa, eh. Oh, meron pang coin sa ilalim. Oh, di ba? Oo. Ano pa? Ha? Turn ulit? Oh, meron pa. Meron pa. Oh, meron pa sa ilalim yan. Tulak natin. Mahulog ka. Ayun, nakuha niya yung coin sa ilalim. Meron pa. Turn again. Oh, meron pa. Meron pa. Matumba ka. Ha? Oh, may coin pa ba? Ayun pa. Mayroon pa nga. Oo. Wala na. Ito pa isa. Ito pa isa. Yun. Oh, wala na. Ubos na. Nandyan na lahat. Yan, oh. Ang dami na. Oh. Ilan yan? Count? Ha?
No.
Bakit?
Turn.
Oo, turn. 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 Okay. Say hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
This.
Ano yun? Ito? Oh, no. Wait, ha? I'll get it. Oh, sige. Oh, lagay mo dyan ang coins mo lahat. Dali. Put all your coins, ha?
No.
Anong gagawin mo dyan? Ha? Oh. Walag yung candy mo.
Turn.
Ha? Ayan na yung coin eh. Oh, lagyan natin ng coins lahat dyan. Oh. Lagay mo. Sige. 1.
No.
Oh. Ano yun? Anong gagawin? Ha?
Turn.
Turn. Turn pala. Kala ko coin. Turn down. Nako, hindi maintindihan ni Papito yung sinasabi mo. Turn pala. Oo. Wow. Push. Oop. Pull.
Hide.
Yeah. Huh? Hard. Oh. Sige, push. There you go. Ang lakas nito. Ang lakas. Oh, tamaan ka. It might hurt you. Give me. Oh, push. Oh, push. Yeah. Oh, ang lakas niyan. Oh. Press mo. Press. Yeah. Press.
No.
Yeah. Press.
No.
You can press it. Here. Put it on the floor and press. Sige. Press mo.
No.
Ayaw. Oh, sige. Press. Wow, yun na. Sige, sapan mo. Harder. Press harder. Bakit? Oh. Push. Yeah. Push. Yun. Galing. Oh, ano? Baba na. Bababa ka na. Go down?
No.
No? Ano gusto? Ano gusto mo?
Turn.
Turn. Naku, turn. Talaga naman. Oh, baba na. Oh, careful. Oh, yun. Okay. Oh, kunin mo itong coins. Oh, lagay mo dyan lahat. Lagay mo dyan sa ano.
No.
Oh. Lagay mo. Sige, you count. 1.
No.
Oh, dadam ko na. Oh, dump ko na yung coin. No more. Oh, doon naman siya sa kanyang ano. Mga alaga. Ano yan? What's that?
This.
Yeah. That's the tag. Never mind. It's okay. You can't remove that.
Toys. Toys.
Huh?
Toys. Toys.
Oh, hayaan mo na siya.
Toys.
It's okay.
Toys.
Toys?
Toys.
Ano daw? Which one?
Toys.
Toys? Hindi yan toys eh. Hindi yan toys, oh. Oh, zipper yan eh, zipper. You're gonna close it. Close the zipper. It will open. So, zipper to eh, oh. Oh, see? Zipper. That's zipper. It's a zipper. Oh, see? Oh, it's closed na. Yeah. No more. Kala ko naman tag. Hindi pala tag. Oh, spin. Yung spinner mo. Sige, spin mo. Lagay mo sa... Oh, who's there?
Toy.
Huh? Who's there?
Toy. Lucky.
Who's knocking? Who's
Momo.
Momo?
Di.
Wala, Adi. Who's knocking? Huh? Sino?
Nana.
Nana. Wala si Nana eh. There. Tutti Boot is knocking. Oh. Oh, okay. Ano ito? Knock. Oh, spin. You put it on the glass. Spin mo. Hi, who's that? Whale?
Bill.
Yeah, si Whale. Oh, lagay mo dito sa basket mo. There. And then, that one. Who's that? Oh, sino yan? Ha? Oh. Wala, kinuha na niya. Sino yan?
Baby.
Talaga naman. Nilagay na lahat. Oh, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, spin. That one, the back. Oh, wow. Wow, ang cute naman. Oh, suot mo yung glass mo. Dump here. Oh, yes. Hindi dump niya. Oh, dump. Okay. This one, Tuti. I have here. Let's play with this one. Yeah.
Here.
Huh? Ano yun? Okay, open. Okay, dump. Dump it. Okay. Sige. Dump yan. Oh, careful, careful. Oh, I'll do it. Oh, okay, let's play. Okay, what's that? There's another one. Airplane. Okay, find the airplane here. Find the airplane and put it. Find the airplane.
This.
Yeah. Oh, what's that? Square. Wow, very good. And then another. Oh, what's that? Circle. Shoot. Find the circle. There you go. Very good.
This.
Letter C. Find the letter C. Where's the letter C? Find the letter C. Yun. There. Shoot. Very good job. Push. Push. Push it. Push it. Push. There you go. Oy. Sige pa. Harder. Push harder. Push. Push. Sige. Push. Oh, very good. And then, what's that? Oh, find the airplane. Look for the airplane. Where's the airplane?
Yes.
That one.
Hi.
Star. Oh, shoot. There you go. Very good. And then, that's that. Find the airplane. The other side. Tuti. The other side. There's the airplane. Shoot. Shoot the airplane.
D.
Yeah. Turn a little. Turn. Then shoot. Turn a little. Some more. Some more. There you go. There. Very good. And that one? What's that? Letter D. That's letter D. Find it. A car first. Okay.
This.
Yeah. Car. Sige. Shoot it. Turn a little bit. Turn. Yeah. That way. Oh. Turn. 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 Oh, no. You turn. Turn it. Yeah. Like that. Some more. Some more. Some more. There you go. There you go. Shoot. Yay. Good job. And then letter D. Find the letter D. Find the letter D. On the other side. On the other side.
No.
Still. There you go. There's the letter D. Oh, shoot. That's the letter D. There. Down. The other one. The other hole. The other one. There you go. Yay. Very good. And then letter T. Find the letter T. Find. No, the other side. On the other side. Another one. Turn more. Turn. No. Turn. Yeah. That one. T. The letter T. Find the letter T. What's that? Huh?
Turn.
Clock. That's a clock.
Hide.
Huh? Hard? I'll turn it this way. Oh, see that? Oh, that's a clock. Now you put the letter T. Tuti. Oh, careful, huh? That's the clock. What time is it? Let's put this red one on the 12. Okay, wait. This one here. And the other one is the opposite side. Here, 6. That is 6 o'clock. Do it. Do it daw. Do it. Okay. Okay. Do it. No, turn. Yeah, that's the wheel. Oh, good job. Oh, find the letter T. There's the letter T. Oh, find the letter T. There. Oh, turn. Some more. Other side. Other side. No, this one here. There. Here. Yeah, that's the one. Oh, put the letter T.
No.
Ayun na. Dalawa na lang natira. Ay, Tuti, there's still have 4 here. Tuti, put. See, the triangle, oh. And then the letter A and B. That's letter T, yeah, this one. Oh, put it. Shoot. That's triangle. There you go. Find. There, good job. Oh, shoot. Turn. Oh, shoot mo. Shoot, yun na. There. Very good. And then letter A. Find the letter A. Find the letter A. The other side. Turn. The other side. Here. Oh. Here. Oh, there's the letter A. Oh, yeah. Shoot. Very good. Yeah. Dada is here.
They weren't able to do it online for some odd reason, so I gotta go in the store.
You have to get it.
Yeah, but I'm worried it's like not on sale anymore or something,
Oh.
so I'm like freaking out.
No, when they just
I don't know. It doesn't tell me when it just started.
Oh,
I was checking pretty ritually last week, but I guess this past week I wasn't.
Oh.
But I thought about just checking this morning, and I was like, oh, $1,000.
Yeah. So you go there early.
Yeah, they open at 11, so I'm gonna try to go there, and
Yeah.
hopefully everything will work out.
Hopefully, of
I don't
course.
think it would still be on the website if it wasn't on sale
Mm,
anymore. So hopefully everything will work out.
yeah, it's 1,000, ah.
I know, I got excited.
Ay. Nako. Oh, there's letter B. Continue. Letter B. Find the letter B. Oh, on the other side. Bumili kasi si Dada ng TV na malaki. Ngayon, regular price pa. Tapos sabi magsisale daw. Opo. Tapos pag nag-sale, makakakuha siya ng rebate. Kaya yun. Pero 60 days yan eh. Ah, letter B, yeah. Put it there. There. Turn a little bit. Turn. No, that's letter D. Turn. This way. Turn like that. Slowly. Yan. And then shoot. There you go. And then one more. The letter T. Oh. Find the letter T. Oh.
No.
Huh? No. The other side. Here. Oh, there you go. Slowly. Turn. There. Yeah. Shoot. Yan. Oh, turn. Yeah, turn. Little, slowly. Turn it slowly, like that. Turn. Oh, sige, shoot mo. Hard. It's hard. Look. There you go. Wow, good job. Done. Sabi niya, done. Eggs naman. Oh, sige, dump po dyan. Oh, here. Put it here. Oh, what's that? Pom-pom? Oh. Ganyan lang kami ni Tutibot. Playtime. What's that? Tuti. Oh, lagay mo. Lagay mo sa basket.
No.
Oh, naman. Oop.
Hand.
You're gonna hide your hand. Okay. Get all the eggs.
D.
Huh? Oh, okay. I'll put my hand and get the eggs. Okay.
No.
Tuti. Tatago ko daw yung hand niya sa mga eggs. Oh, where's the hand of Tuti Boot? It's missing. Oh, where's the hand of Tuti Boot? Oh, it's the...
D.
Oh, okay. Oh, put some egg. Okay, I'm hiding my hand. Okay. Oh, some more.
No.
Oh, put it.
This.
No, what's that? That's your coffee. We're gonna make coffee?
No.
That's the coffee. Oh, get your coffee maker. Okay. Yes. Oh, get your coffee maker. Where's the coffee maker? Oh, our friend is waiting. You get our friend first. Oh, I'll get it, ha? So that, ayaw niya nito. Si friend namin to.
No.
Oh, dito. Oh, di na. Dito lang. Oh, dyan lang siya. Ayan, oh, si friend. Oh, okay. Get the coffee maker. You want to put it there? Your friend? There on the door? Huh? Okay. I'll transfer it, ha?
No.
Okay. I'll put it here. Tuti, look. Hi, say hi to your friend. Hi. Okay. Where's the coffee maker? Look for the coffee maker.
No.
Maybe under. Here. Which one? Here, no? Ayan, ang coffee maker. Oh. Yan, oh. Pwede mo. Oo, yan. That's for baking. That's not the coffee maker. We're gonna bake the coffee. Tingnan mo. Oh, talaga. Oh, i-bake niya. Oh, sige. Hindi ikot yan. Aba, umiikot. Umiikot, Tuti. Magbibake ka pala ng coffee. Oh, talaga naman. Oh, where is our bread? For breakfast, get the bread. Get the bread toaster.
No.
Huh? Bakit? Which one? Ano na naman? Kalin? Ito. There is the coffee maker. Yes. That's right. The coffee maker. Oh, sige. Oh, gawa ka ng coffee. Dali. Tapos na yun. Oh, i-bake mo na naman. Oh, hello. I-bake na naman niya. Oh, talaga ba siya? Galing ah. Oh, masisira itong ano mo. Baking machine mo. Ilagay mo yung coffee. Binibake mo yung coffee. Oh, dito mo lagay. O, dyan sa coffee maker mo. Oop. Oh. Sige. Oop. Oh. Wala. Masisira. Masisira yung coffee maker. Ano mo. Oh, mixer mo. Masisira. Oh, okay. Oh, make coffee. Sige. Oh, you put it in the coffee maker. Dali.
This.
Oh, here. Oh, there. Here. Ah, okay. Oh, remove that one, yeah. And put the other one. Oh, close. Oh, switch on the coffee maker. Wow. Switch on. We'll make coffee. Huh?
No.
Saan mo lalagay yan? Oh. Ay, ito, tuti. Donut na lang. No, that's Dada. No, that's Dada.
This.
Here. Oh, look, tuti. This one, tuti. Come here. Oh, we'll make donut. Tuti, look. Oh, look that. Wow. Wow. Kunin yung ganyan. Oh, balik na natin yan. Oh, yan, sige. Pagulungin mo. Oh. Pagulungin mo yung donut. Sige. Gulungan mo. Wow. Natatanggal pala yan, tuti ah. Oh, pagulungin mo.
This.
Oh, put it on top.
No.
Dito.
No.
Oh. Oh, gagawa tayo ng coffee. Oh. Lumupo na ba yan, tuti? Lumupo. Napagod si tuti. Pagod ka na. Ah, tuti. Tired?
No.
Ah, ano ba yan? Pabigyan ka na eh.
Yeah.
Oh, get your donut. Sige, kain na tayo ng donut. Ayan na, anak ko, umiga. Oh, sige, lagay mo na yung donut mo. Doon. Ayan. Oh, sige. Oh, lagay mo. Napagod na. Yes, sige. Lagay mo lahat yan.
Right.
Oh. Oh, your friend still out. Tuti. Uy, oh talaga na. Grabe ito. Ang lakas. Nabubuhat niya yung cover. Oh, anong hinahanap mo?
Time.
Ha? Coin? Ah, there's your coin, oh.
This.
Oo. Daming coins. Oo. Oh, you count. Sige, you count your coins. Ako tumungtong. Oh, you count your coins.
Right.
Ha, right?
Time.
Oh, where's the coin? Yeah, masasagasaan yung coin mo, oh.
This.
Oo, sige. Put all your coins. Dali. Oh, you count. 1. Yes. Hindi, umihinang ang dami. 2. Nagsasabi naman to eh. Ah, hindi. Wow. Yay! Excited siya. Okay. Pupunta. O, sign off muna. Sign off. Bye-bye, alligator. You wait daw. O, put it in the box. Para ano, lagay. Oh.
Toys.
Yeah, put it inside the box. Si friend. Kunin mo si friend. Oh, di na siya natatakot. O, si kunin mo. Lagay mo doon. Oh. All your toys. You get all your toys. Put it inside. Then you will go to the park. Oh, yun. Oh, cover mo na. Dump. Okay, dump. Okay, na-dump na. Oo. Okay, careful. Oh, put all your toys. Put back all your toys. Then we'll put back the cover. Sige na. O, balik mo lahat yan. Sige. Yun pa. Yun. Punta tayo sa park. Sige. Sige. Ay, cover yan, tuti. Here. Dito yan. O, dito yan. O, put the cover. O, turn. O, sige, balik mo na yung ibang toys. Ako na magbabalik nito. Sige, balik mo na dun sa box. O, close na yan. O, sige. Back. Marunong yan. O, yan pa. Yan pa. O, lahat yan. No, yung coins. Put here the coins. O, dyan mo lagay lahat ng coins. Yan, o. Sige. Kunin mo lahat. O, sige. Nagliligpit pa. Oh, ay, wait. Oh, careful. Oh, ito pa. Oh, you go to Mimi. You're gonna wear your, diapers. Okay. Punta na dun. Oh, say. Oh, sign off muna. Tutibit. Sign off. Signing off. Tuti time. Vlog. Okay. Oo. Dalawang vlog niya ngayon. Oh, no. Never mind. I'll get it later. Oh, who's that?
Huh.
Oh, sige, lagay mo yan lahat. Dali. Lagay mo na doon sa box. Dali. Oh, yan pa. Oh, lagay mo na yung donut din. Oh, ito pa ang isa. Ayun yung coffee. Ay, yung bread maker mo. Ayan, yung baking machine pala. Oh, sige, lagay mo lahat yan. Oh, ito pa ang box. Ito pa, tuti. Yan pa. Yun. Oh, yung pail. Oh, sige, lagay mo doon sa box. Oh. Ito pa. Yan, oh, akin yan. Lagay dyan sa gilid. Oh, there. There on the window. Put it there. Okay, sige. This one, that one, put it in the box. Oh, good job. And the other two. Yeah, that one. Yeah. And also the telephone, put it in the box. Dali. Faster. Tuti, alis na tayo. Pupunta tayo sa park. Ayun pa yung telephone. Yan pa yung telephone. Yun. Oo. Yun. No more. Oh, put the eggs in the basket. Put it in the basket. Dali. Sige, careful. Oh, careful. Oh. Oh. Ayun na. Nagpapatulong. Okay. Oh, tutulungan kita. Sige, para mabilis. Oh, balik mo to sa window. Balik mo sa window. Doon, sa window. Oh, balik mo yan. Oh, doon. Lagay mo. Oh, balik mo sa window. Oh, liligpit ko yung eggs. Oh, sige. Oh, doon. Lagay mo sa window. Ayan pa. Oh, lalagay ko itong mga eggs. Sige. Ayan. Ayun, lagay mo doon sa window. Lagay mo yan. Oh, I'll put the eggs in the basket. Yan na. Oh, lagay mo doon. Lagay mo sa window.
No.
Oh, bakit?
Window.
Pagod ka na? Tired?
Window.
Oh, lagay mo sa window yan. Sige. Good job. Oh, there's the other three. Yan, oh. Yeah, put it in the window. Yeah. There. And then, the last one. Ah, here is one more. Here, oh. Oh, yan. Sige, lagay mo dun. Oh, tapos na. Okay. Very good. Oh, say bye-bye na. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
We'll continue our vlog in the park.
Gulo-gulo din buhok niya. Yay! Signing off.
Signing
20
off.
time.
Isa ka muna. Bye-bye.
Vlog. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oops, kiss. Nagmamadali.